In today's fast-paced business world, having the right tools can make all the difference. Introducing SQL Mobile Connect, the ultimate solution designed to empower your sales team and streamline your business operations. SQL Mobile Connect allows sales teams to efficiently create and input new customer profiles directly from their mobile devices. Seamlessly integrate new customer data with your existing accounting systems, ensuring that your records are always up-to-date and accurate. Instantly access existing customer data, allowing for quick and informed decision-making on the go. With SQL Mobile Connect, you can access reference prices, minimum prices, and stock information anytime, anywhere. Quickly check stock availability, facilitating upselling or cross-selling based on available inventory, and access historical pricing information at your fingertips. Gain a comprehensive customer overview by viewing daily, weekly, and monthly sales data anytime, anywhere. Easily view customer sales history and details, including aging and outstanding balances, on the go, ensuring you have all the information you need to make informed decisions. Generate sales documents and process payments instantly on the spot with SQL Mobile Connect. Facilitate immediate invoice processing. Create and manage delivery notes conveniently from your mobile device. With advanced user management features, control what each agent can or can't access, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. Establish and customize user views according to your operational needs, ensuring that your team has the right tools and information at their disposal. Experience live posting to SQL Accounting Software, ensuring data consistency and immediate reflection in your accounting records without delay. Streamline your financial processes and maintain accurate, real-time records effortlessly. Empower your sales team and streamline your business operations with SQL Mobile Connect. The future of mobile sales management is here. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and get started with SQL Mobile Connect.